So to give some feedback on the workshop today, I didn't know what to expect. Came here with an open mind, but was really blown away by the amazing connections I've made with other people. It showed me that if I am truly open and honest about how I'm feeling, I can reach others and touch them and help them, and they can help me too. So thank you very much, Milena.
I agree. It was the first time, my first experience, so I came here like open-minded to feel connected more with myself, and I truly got my mantra, which is like open myself, I'm not through a wall, and I want to know the other people as well.
So it's for me my first experience, and I would like to say you can find here your power, the powerful in your life.
This was also for me the first experience, and I didn't know what to expect from it, but it was amazing. And I want to thank you, all of you, Milena, for this experience, because I discovered lots of things about myself and what I can do. So yes, it's amazing.
This is my fourth experience, and I would like to thank you all for being here, and also on myself to be always open to grow, and Milena. And it's really a powerful day when you can reach your inner voice and feel who you really are, and feel also other people. Thanks.
It's my turn workshop with Milena. Weird more. And as Elisa said, it was a really strong day. But every time I have a workshop with Milena, with Inborn Voice, I can feel the authenticity of the experience, and it's so great how the energy just flow out and vibrate with everyone else. It's thank you, Milena.
Hi, this is my second experience with the Inborn Voice workshop, and it was amazing and a fantastic experience, full of vibes, full of energy and positive vibes. If you love yourself, you must try once in your life this kind of workshop. If you don't love enough yourself, it's time to start to love yourself.